So it seems like everyone is focusing on cracking the Etsy SEO code and wondering why they are not getting sales. Well, in the last 30 days, we did $13,745.60 in Etsy sales, and we don't focus on SEO, or we don't try to find those golden keywords that will drive us floods of traffic. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't follow the basic SEO principles when optimizing your listing. You should, absolutely. You know, the basic stuff like good title, good images, description, tags, those types of things. But we focus on two important underutilized things that have allowed us to get sales from Etsy fast and consistently without focusing on SEO. So you probably want to know what they are, right? Of course you do. Now, I'm just going to assume the obvious here, and that is that you are choosing good products and you're creating good products. We basically start there. We do good product research, which I've covered a ton here on the channel, and we find products that have solid demand that we know get sales. But that's obvious, right? Because if the products aren't getting searched for, there's nothing that you're going to do to help get more sales because no one's looking for it. Now, once we have those products, we focus on traffic and sales. That's it. And I know what you're thinking right now. Scott, doesn't SEO help you get traffic? Yes, that is true. But the secret to getting your listings found organically in search is getting sales. If we get sales, that's going to signal Etsy's algorithm that this product should get ranked in search because, well, when people search for it, they buy it, and that's what they want. So you're probably wondering, how do you get traffic then? Now, there's two ways, and the second one that I'm going to share with you, I don't hear anyone talking about, but it's super powerful. And I'm going to show you an example a little bit later on how powerful it is. But the very first way we get traffic is we use Etsy ads, and we pay for it. That's what we do. This has allowed us to rank #1 almost overnight. Yes, we are paying for it, but this is how we can push our way to the top and get sales fast. And what happens when we get sales fast again? Oh yeah, we're going to start ranking. Once we start getting sales, Etsy is going to push us up in the search rankings because they want to push products that are selling, just like I mentioned a minute ago. So yes, we pay to be #1. And then once we get sales coming in, we then get ranked for free. That's the secret. Now, the second way that we get traffic and sales is something that no one else is doing right now and is a huge advantage for you and for me. And that is called email marketing. Now, some people are saying email is dead, and that couldn't be further from the truth. Check this out. In just the last 30 days, we were able to generate $2,581 directly from sending email to our customers. And that was a total of 46 orders, all from email. Now, this is something that we never would have had if we hadn't sent email. We wouldn't have been able to get that extra $2,500 in sales. Now, there's a rumor going around that Etsy doesn't want us Etsy sellers to send our customer emails. People are saying that it's against the terms of service. And actually, that is false. They actually say in their documentation that they want us Etsy sellers, to build an email list and send our customer emails to drive traffic to our shops. They actually just released a program called Share and Save Rewards, which they basically are going to reward us with money to send traffic. As you can see right here, from this $2,500, I actually saved $103 in fees. So basically, they gave me $103 that I would have paid if those sales came through Etsy. Why? Because they're rewarding me for sending them traffic. So I want you to think about this for a minute. This is big. This is huge. And if you're not using email yet, you really should consider it, because I don't need to worry about SEO that much. Because why? I've got my own traffic source. And the cool thing is, it's easier than ever right now to get access to your customer emails and build an email list. One of my favorite tools, Everbee, you've probably heard me talk about that a bunch here on the channel. Well, they're creating a new feature that will allow this to happen automatically. All you got to do is hook it up. And depending on when you're watching this video, it's days away from being released. And you can literally sync up your Etsy shop with just a few clicks and start building your own customer list. And once you do this, you can now send them emails on a regular basis about new releases, special offers, and just news about your shop. If you want to check out Everbee and start collecting emails using this tool, head on over to emailforshops.com. Again, that's emailforshops.com, and you can get started within minutes. I mean, literally minutes. Plus, if you go through my affiliate link, you're going to get 50% off your first 2 months. And yes, I am an affiliate. Yes, you will buy me a cup of coffee if you go through my link. And some of you know I love my coffee. So this is what we are focusing on in our business and not stressing out about SEO. Like I said earlier, we spend very, very little time trying to find that golden keyword or less competitive ones. The truth is, we want to rank for the top keywords. We don't want to find those ones that not everyone's competing on because honestly, we want the top keywords. So those are the keywords we mainly focus on. We create a listing that uses the top keyword in the title, and then we drive traffic using ads and email like I just explained. Now, a quick example of this would be if people were searching for, let's say I was selling Halloween nurse shirts. Well, I would want to go after Halloween nurse shirt, and that would be the top keyword that I would include in the listing. Then we would drive traffic, get sales, and we would rank for that keyword in the Etsy algorithm. That's the formula. Now, I hope you can see email is powerful, but if you still are not convinced, I shot a video right here that shows you how I was able to send one email and make 4 sales in 6 minutes after clicking send. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.